Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can add Bitcoin to your Metamask. Let's get started. So first, what you want to do is, of course, download Metamask and use it in your browser. And what you can do to download it is just simply go to Google and Google search Metamask, and this will appear. And you want to click here so that you can download it here. And there will be a button here that you can install your Metamask for the browser you like, and in any browser that is listed here: Chrome, Firefox, Brave, Edge, or Opera. And you just need to click here and it'll be installed here, and then you can log in or sign up. It's very easy. You'll have no problem with it. So once you have done it, let's go close this tab. What you want to do next is here, click on Metamask now. And in here, you want to have a smart chain here for BNB. So as you can see, it is nowhere to be found here. So we want to add network. And in here it is, BNB Smart Chain. This is what we want to add. But if you are not seeing this option right here, then we can just go here. You just need to Google search this title, and this page will appear. And you want to scroll down, until you see this. And you want to put this information here to add a network manually, and it will appear now here if you have added the network here. If you have added the information here to here, if you have filled that up, then it must appear here. All right, let's go back. So add a network here. It will appear here now. So now let's add this BNB Smart Chain. This is what we need. Let's just approve. And then network added successfully. Now let's switch to BNB Smart Chain. There you go. Got it. And that's it. Now let's close this. And now what we need to do is go to our Metamask, and then here, as you can see, it is now Smart Chain. And now what we want to do now is add a currency, add the Bitcoin here. Now let's go assets. And here, as you can see, you don't have Bitcoins, you only have BNB. So what we want to do is import tokens and token address here. So to add the Bitcoin is we simply need to go here on coinmarketcap.com, and you want to go click on more and just do this, click here. But if you didn't find this one, you just need to go to coinmarketcap.com, then search BTCD. Here it will appear here. Here we just need to click this and then click here and more, and then tip here so that you can now import this token. We want to copy this and then go back to your Metamask, import tokens, token address, symbol is BTCB, and then you just want to add custom token and then import tokens. And there you go. It is now imported. Once you have added to Bitcoin, then all you need to do is simply buy BNB, and it will swap BNB for Bitcoin. So what we want to do is go here to buy BNB, and then we need to choose whichever you prefer. And let's just go with transact. And now let's wait for a moment. And here you have your payment methods. You have a lot. You have Visa or other methods here. Then you want to indicate what the amount that you want to get or you want to pay. And here is the amount that you will receive and BNB. So all you have to do is select your red method and then click on buy now. And after that, after BNB has been added to your Metamask, it will be really easy after you have clicked to buy now. It's like it will take 5 minutes for it to transfer here. And once it has shown up here, you may now go click here on Bitcoin and then click on swap. And here, swap from BNB and then swap to Bitcoin. Now, after you have selected BNB here, you want to go to here, swap to start a token. You want to search for BTCB for Bitcoin. And then after that, you will be good to go. We just have to click here to review swap, but I get through that because obviously I don't have any. So let's say, as you can see, not enough BNB. So I don't have enough because I don't have any amount here in this account. So after you have done this, you have input the amount that you want. You selected BNB and BTC. Then let's go with the swap. And this is it. After you have here, you're gonna click on swap so that they will now be Bitcoin from BNB. And that is how you add Bitcoin to your MetaMask wallet.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.